Hello, teacher.
Oh, potato. Okay, this time potato. Can you see the baby spider?
Baby spider.
Yeah.
What?
Baby spider, a small spider. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to draw line. Okay. Use red colored line. Okay. For the baby spider to go to his dad. Okay. This is the baby spider. This is his dad. Okay. You're going to
Okay,
a
wait
letter.
me.
Yeah. Connect letter A to Z. A, B, C, D. Okay. Draw lines. Example, A, B, C, D. Okay, like that. Okay. Understand?
What else?
Draw line from letters A to Z. Okay. Example, A. What's next to A?
A,
D. Oh, good.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
L, M, N.
With me.
Okay, just take your time.
Wait. A, B, C, D, E, L, N, A, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Here.
Okay, very good. Let's see, potato, if your answers here are all correct. Let us see. We have, oh, look at that. What's missing? Okay, potato, can you do it again?
With me.
Okay. Okay, go. Sorry. Okay, go. Draw a line to connect letters A to letter Z. Again, A to
What
Z.
do it?
Oh, there you go. Are you done?
No.
Okay, not yet.
I just don't done.
Okay, tell me when you're done, okay?
Here.
Okay, let's see your work. We have here. Oh, are you all correct? Are you all correct? The answer is yes, you are. Oh, so we have there the baby spider and it's dad. Okay, great work. Next, okay, a while ago, potato, you draw a line to connect the baby spider to its dad. Now, this time, you are going to listen. Listen, ah. You're going to listen to draw a line on what are the letters that you're going to line from the baby frog to its mom. Okay? Baby frog to its mom. Okay, are you ready to listen?
I don't know.
You're not ready to listen? You listen
I
first.
don't know.
Oh, you listen. Okay, here we go. Oh, sorry. Okay, listen. Okay, first is Q.
What?
Oh, listen to the letters. Q.
I don't listen.
Oh, listen first. Q, G, R.
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
B,
Letter
G.
B. Letter B, letter G.
With me.
Okay.
I don't know.
Letter B, letter G.
Yeah.
Okay, letter G.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Next, listen.
H,
Oh, H,
Z,
Yeah.
Z, Z,
Yeah.
S,
S,
C,
Yeah.
C.
What is? Yeah.
Good.
V,
What?
V.
I.
Letter V.
What?
Good. That's correct. Listen, that's correct. Next to letter C is letter V. Where is V?
What?
V.
B.
V.
Yeah.
Here, V. Down to letter C is V.
No.
Oh,
I don't.
next to letter C is letter V.
I don't know.
V, here's letter V. This one, letter V.
Okay.
Okay, letter V. Come on, draw lines going down to letter V.
V here.
Good. It's correct. Next,
I,
letter I.
Yeah.
Good.
Y,
Letter Y.
Yeah.
W,
W. Potato.
Yeah.
No, YW, not VW. Y.
Why?
This one. No, Y to W, potato. Y.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next. Listen to first.
O,
Letter O.
N,
Letter N.
A,
A.
E,
E.
F,
F. That's correct. E. F.
Yeah.
X,
Letter X.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. So again, potato, what are the letters that you draw line from the baby frog going to the mother frog? Letter
I don't
Q.
know.
What are these letters? Q.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Look at here, potato. What's the correct answer? Oh, are your answers correct? Potato. Yes, because you listened well. That's why you were able to get the correct answer in this activity. Very good. Okay. There you go. So, potato, what are the letters? Letter Q. Again. Q.
Q.
G.
E.
Next. R.
R.
Here. Oh, here. R. Next to R.
What?
R. Next to letter R, letter. What's next to R? Letter B.
B.
Next. G.
G.
Next.
H.
H.
R.
Next. It says I. Z.
D.
Next. S.
F.
Next. C. Next.
B.
V. Next.
Y.
I. Y. Next. What's next to letter Y? What's next to letter Y? Letter?
Y.
What's next to letter Y? W.
W. L.
O. What's
N.
this? N? This one.
A.
A.
E.
E.
F.
F. And
X.
very good. So these are the letters which you draw a line for the baby frog to reach its mom frog. Very good. Now here, Potato, look at the picture. How many animals can you see in the picture?
I can see 6.
6. What are these animals? What's number 1?
Sheep.
1.
Go.
No, number
Good.
1. There, look at Potato. There are numbers. Oh, what number? What number is number 1? Or what animal is number 1?
Duck.
Duck. 2. What's 2? Number 2, Potato. What's number 2?
I don't know.
Sheep. Here, there's a number. What's number 2?
Turkey. Sheep.
Okay. 3. What's number 3?
4.
Frog. Number 4.
Go.
Okay, goat. 5.
Spider.
Okay, spider. Number 6 is, what's this?
What
What's number 6?
is 6?
All right, it's a fish. Okay, perfectly said, Potato. You got it. Okay, there are 6 animals. Okay. Now, Potato, do you know how to write their correct names?
No.
Okay, number 1, duck. How do you write duck? You don't know how to write?
Yes.
Okay, look at here. Oh, what's number 1? Number 1 is A. Please read. Number 1 is A.
Number 1 is
Please read. 1 is?
duck.
Yes. Number 2. What's number 2?
Sheep.
Number 3.
3. 4.
4. And 5 is?
Spider.
Very good. Okay. Do you know what these animals say?
No.
Oh, what is the sound of the goat? What does the goat says?
I don't know.
Meh, meh. Okay. The sheep says ba ba ba. Have you heard that one?
I don't.
Oh, you don't. Oh, if you live in the farm, you will know this. Okay, here. These are what's the name of the animal in number 1? Please read.
Goat. Sheep.
Goat,
Spider. Frog. Duck.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Next. What's this, Potato? What are these names? Cat,
What?
This one, the 3 words. Cat. What's this?
Cat, dog, snake.
Very good. The cat, the dog, and the snake. Okay. Look at here, oh. The sheep noise. Listen.
1F. Say hello. What is the animal?
Listen to number 1.
What's this? Meh.
What's that?
And what's this?
It's a cat.
Now, what's this?
What's this potato? Okay, what sound is that? It says what animal that says potato?
What?
What animal says
Sheep.
Oh no, it's a snake. Okay, this one. Next potato. Next.
And this?
Okay, what animal is that?
Quack. Yeah.
Duck. Okay, this one. This one.
Now, what's this?
Okay, what animal is that?
Dog.
Dog. And lastly,
And what's this?
Frog.
very good. It's a frog. Okay. There you go. There no go na. Okay, fish. Okay. Potato. What word or what animal name can we make from the letters N, E, A, K, and S? What is that? The animal is a? Please read. It's a? What's this?
Snake.
Snake. Perfect. Okay, this one. What animal is that?
Dog.
Dog and? What else? What else? Cat and? Next one. Goat. All right. Okay. So that would be all for today, potato. We finished the lesson 1 in the starters. So on Thursday, potato, we will be doing unit number 2. Okay? All right. So goodbye for now, potato. See you next time. Bye-bye. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah, good night.